Hello everyone. In this video, you are going to learn about set actions in Tableau with a basic example. So, in this dashboard, I have created three buttons for furniture, office supplies, and technology. So, when I click on this button, then this sheet, subcategories by sales, is going to update with regarding subcategories for that particular category. So, let me do it from scratch. First, I will drag subcategory into row shelf and cells into column shelf. Then I will change this to percentage. So right click and click on this quick table calculation and click on this percent of total. So keep pressing on control and drag the sum of sales in label so that you can see this percentage for each subcategory. And now let me create a set for a category. Right click on this dimension category and choose this create option, then click on set. So create set window will open. So now name this set. So I'm going to let it be as a category set, and I'm going to select any furniture, or no problem if I don't select any member from this category set, because we are going to change these set values dynamically from the dashboard. So for example, if I select furniture, and in the data pane a custom field is created with a set icon, so this set icon indicates that this field is a set. So I will drag this into colors. So only the subcategories which are regarding to the category furniture have been highlighted with the blue color and in category, and the remaining is in gray color, so those are not part of this category. So now I am going to rename this as subcategory by sales. Okay, so now create a new sheet to create the buttons for a category. So I will drag this category into column shelf, and I will add index to this category to create buttons, and change this to discrete. So from the marks type, select square and view this in enter view, and I'm going to increase its size. Okay, so now I will drag this category into label. So let's change its alignment. I will keep it at the center, and I will change its font type. So click on these three dots, select this category and increase its font size, and I will select Tableau bold. Let me change this to white color. Okay, so and now I will drag this category into colors so that you can get each category in different colors. So I will rename it as category buttons. Okay, now create a new dashboard and drag these category buttons and subcategory by sales in the dashboard. Okay, so now let me hide this header and title, and I will hide this subcategory by sales. Sorry, I will hide this, hide field labels and hide header. So now if I clicking on any category, it is not reflecting in the subcategories by sales chart. So for that we need to create a set action. Let me adjust this. Okay, so for that I'm going to click on dashboard and choose this actions option. So click on add action, then from this choose this option, change set values. So name this action. So I'm going to let it be as a set 1. So from the source sheet I'm going to select a category button. Okay, so at the target set, sample superstore data set and category set. Okay, so clearing the selection will keep set values. So run action on select, then click on OK. Okay, so when I select any category, it is going to, this chart is going to update with the subcategories which are regarding related to the selected category technology. So when I select office supplies, so the subcategories are highlighting which are in the category office supplies. So when I click on office supplies, so appliances, art, binders, labels and paper, storage supplies are the subcategories which are regarding to this category office supplies. So if you want to get the grand total of this particular subcategories whichever you have selected, then go to this sheet and add grand total. So go to analysis under totals, then click on this option show column grand totals. So you will get grand total in the sheet. So if you go to dashboard, it will automatically reflect you in the dashboard also. So the subcategories of office supplies category, its percentage is 31.30. So this is the total percentage of subcategories in technology is 36.40. So when you add the percentage of all these subcategories of technology, you will get this grand total 36.40 out of 100%. So if you select any category from this dashboard, it will automatically reflect to the set that we have created. So let me show you. Right click on edit set. So I have selected furniture. So from the dashboard, if I click on technology, then in the subcategory by sales sheet, in the set, let me click on edit set. So technology have been automatically selected because we are selecting these members dynamically from the dashboard. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.